Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute bunnies. You will have to cut 2 pieces of fabric by using my pattern. Just while cutting, please make sure front of fabric is facing to each other. And then use handmade stitches to sew them together. Only bottom 2 centimeters stay open. Then turn all bunny upside down. Sometimes it can be very difficult to get head through neck. So I really recommend to use some tweezers or something similar. Just a small tip from me, if you are doing more of them, just do one step for each of them because it will save you lots of time. If there are small pieces of fabric coming through stitches, really don't worry about this. Just push them back. You will use hot glue, so it's going to be covered. Now we can use fiber stocking to fill inside of the bunnies. As always, make sure you first fill head and then with earth, which is going to be difficult to fill if you don't do it as first thing. It's basically same as we had with our unicorn pattern. I really don't use lots of fiber stocking for these bunnies. Just please make sure they are not empty. So you make them a little bit fluffy, but just enough to look fabric nice, but do not fill them to be very hard. And then when you are happy, just use just handmade stitches and sew bottom together. Once when you are happy how your bunny looks like, you can start to apply your golden chain. Basically by this way you will cover all these edges and handmade stitches which we did before. They will get much more stronger and not so visible as they were before. You basically do one row around all bunny and then you start to do second row. When you will apply golden bead and also create this golden hanging part, which you are going to see shortly on my video. I just really hope it makes sense. If any questions, just leave me comments and I will try to answer. But as you can see, I'm just applying that bead on top of bunny's head. And I'm also leaving there basically part which can be used for hanging. Now I'm just going to finish second row, so it looks same on all sides. And cut it chain. And at the end I'm just going to sew that fur tail to bunny. I basically just created that small tail from a small piece of fur which I had left. I think it can be done even with some yarn or something similar, but I think it looks really nice and it's small touch at the end, and also it's safely glued by hot glue. So that's how it looks like. Hopefully you like it.